Myself H.N. Moharkar sir, teacher for biology in Yashwantrao Shinde Junior College, Bhadravati, District Chandrapur. We are learning chapter 2, reproduction in lower and higher animals. Now we will learn male reproductive system. In this textbook, only diagram is given and you have to label different parts of it. So, male reproductive system consists of primary sex organ, that is gonads. Here in this chapter, testes are primary sex organs which produces sperms through process of spermatogenesis. Besides this, testes also secretes male sex hormone, mainly testosterone. Therefore, testes act as endocrine gland. You know, testosterone stimulates the growth and development of sex organ in males. This hormone also develops secondary sexual character in boys during adolescence. Secondary sex organ in this system are accessory ducts, accessory glands, and external genitalia. Accessory ducts are retestis, vasa efferentia, epididymis, vasa deferens, ejaculatory duct, and urethra. They are concerned with transport and maturation of sperms before ejaculation. Accessory glands are a pair of seminal vesicles, a single prostate gland, and a pair of corpus gland, also called bulbourethral glands. These are exocrine glands which have ducts for their secretion. They are concerned with secretion and formation of semen. External genitalia are penis and scrotum. Penis is concerned with the act of copulation and deposition of semen into vagina of female. Scrotum is concerned with protection of testes and thermoregulation for spermatogenesis. Observe this chart. Dear students, observe this diagram of male reproductive system in side view and front view. A pair of testes are located in scrotum or scrotal sacs for protection and thermoregulation. They are suspended in scrotum by spermatic cord. In LS of testes, you can observe retestis, vasa efferentia, epididymis, vas deferens. Testis is oval structure and covered by tunica albuginea and tunica vaginalis. Tunica albuginea is a layer of collagenous connective tissue, while tunica vaginalis is peritoneal covering around testis. Tunica albuginea divide each testis into about 200 to 300 testicular lobules. Each lobule contains 1 to 4 seminiferous tubules which are highly coiled and packed in testis. Each seminiferous tubule is internally lined by cuboidal germinal epithelial cells commonly called spermatogonia and few large pyramidal cells called Sertoli cells. Spermatogonia undergo spermatogenesis to form spermatozoa, commonly called sperms. Some Leydig cells, also called interstitial cells, lie in between seminiferous tubules. They secrete male sex hormone, androgen. Main hormone is testosterone. Thus, testes act as endocrine gland. The seminal tubules of testes at posterior surface form a network of tubules called retitestes, which continue as straight tubules now called as vasa hyperentia. There are about 12 to 20 fine tubules of vasa hyperentia arising from retitestes. Vasa hyperentia collect sperms from testes and transfer them to epididymis. Epididymis is a long tube of about 6 meter and tightly coiled tube. It is differentiated into three parts: upper caput epididymis, middle corpus epididymis, and lower quada epididymis. So, epididymis store sperms for about 20 days, during which they undergoes maturation and capacitation. Capacitation is the ability of sperms to penetrate and fertilize the egg in fallopian tube of female. Vasa deferens arises from quada epididymis as a straight tubule up to abdominal cavity and loops over the urinary bladder. It joins with duct of seminal vesicle to form ejaculatory duct. Ejaculatory duct is 2 cm long and passes through prostate gland and open into urethra. Male urethra is about 18 cm long. It is differentiated into three regions: prostatic urethra, which passes through prostate gland; membranous urethra, which passes through pelvic cavity; and penile urethra, which passes through penis in corpus spongiosum. Urethra has two types of sphincter, internal as well as external, which maintain urinary continence or self-control. The sphincter muscle control the flow of urine from urinary bladder. In male, urethra is common passage for urine from bladder and semen from ejaculatory duct. Hence, it is called urinogenital duct. It passes through penis and open to outside by an opening called urethral meatus or urethral orifice. Accessory glands are seminal vesicles, prostate gland, and corpus gland, also called bulboureteral glands. These glands are exocrine, which secretes their secretion by ducts. So these glands form semen. Seminal vesicles are pair of small fibromuscular pouches present on posterior side of urinary bladder. They secrete thick yellowish alkaline fluid which contain fructose, prostaglandins, and fibrinogens. It contributes about 60% of total volume of semen. Prostate gland is single gland about size of chestnut. It secretes prostatic alkaline milky fluid into prostatic urethra. It consists of 20 to 30 lobes surrounding the urethra. It is present below bladder. Prostatic fluid contributes about 30% of total volume of semen. Corpus gland, also called bulboureteral glands, are a pair of pea-sized glands which lie on either side of membranous urethra. They secrete thick alkaline mucus which lubricate the glans penis during copulation. It neutralizes any urinary acids in urethra. External genitalia of male are scrotum and penis. Penis is male copulatory organ. It is cylindrical and muscular with three bundles of erectile tissue, a pair of lateral corpora cavernosa and medial corpus spongiosum. The swollen tip of penis is called glans penis, which is covered by a loose fold of skin called foreskin or prepuce. Scrotum is a loose pouch of pigmented skin lying behind the penis. It is divided into right and left scrotal sacs by septum of tunica dartos, which is smooth muscle fiber. It contains or houses the testes. Scrotum maintain the temperature of testes 3 degrees Celsius lower than body temperature, that is 37 degrees Celsius, necessary for spermatogenesis. The male fetus have abdominal testes. However, the fetal testicles are guided and retained in the scrotum by short fibromuscular band called gubernaculum. They are descended into scrotum through inguinal canal. Thus, testicles become extra-abdominal. When male is sexually excited, the erectile tissue of penis fills with blood, causing the penis to become erect. During sexual intercourse, the erect penis is inserted into vagina female before ejaculation of semen. Semen is ejaculated during copulation. It contains millions of sperms in secretion of 3 accessory glands. Thank you.